Hi everybody and welcome to All Fired Up, and this week it's going to be a DIY wife. We are building a bridge. It is Granny's birthday, so because we're in lockdown there's not really much we can get for her. So what we are going to do is build a small bridge across the creek and then she can get to the other side of the property. We have the official plans because we are for professional construction makers. We're going to do 3 bits of 2.5 at 8 inches and then 15 bits of 1.2 meters at a 6x2, and then hopefully she'll all slam together really nicely and we won't drop Lydia in the creek. Here we go. And of course, because we're in a hurrah, this is how we're going to transport safely all of the wood to Granny's house. So as you can see here, this is the creek that's at the back of Mum's place. This is what we're going to be putting a bridge across. We're going to do 3 struts down and a couple of bracing at the bottom first. We're going to dig it in a bit too, so it's nice down there. So fingers crossed we don't fall in and get a bit wet, but thankfully it is a beautiful day today. And the sun's shining. This is the bush block at the back, so Granny's going to tame all this bush and get all the bramble out, get all the weeds out, and put it back to native. As you can see, we've gotten a long way with this bridge. We've just gone away and cut 3 more boards. Actually, we left 2 at home, to be honest, so we cut 1 more board. And we're going to just finish nailing everything down. So I'm just demonstrating how sturdy it is. So another half an hour and I think we'll be ready to go. So here it is, our finished bridge. We've got it pretty much level now, and then we've got the 2 side struts as well. These are just on Waratahs, which means that they will probably come out eventually, but once the lockdown's over we will replace those with bolts. We haven't nailed every single board down 100% yet because New Zealand's in lockdown, we are trying to kind of save all the supplies that we've got here just in case something goes wrong, but later on we will nail those all down 100% too. But yeah, it's really sturdy. Granny's already been across and I'll put in some nice photos she's taken. So yeah, thanks for joining us, and like and share and keep safe in these slightly exciting times. Thanks guys.